Hi, this is Lunchman on how to lock a door. And it may seem simple, and it really is simple. Just open the door. I thought this would be extra. So we'll lock it like that, and we close it. And popped open. Maybe I didn't press hard enough. It's in. And what the hell? It is not locking. The hell's wrong with this door? They told me lock a door. That's all they told me to do. They said, how can you get this door locked? Well, obviously if I sit... What do they want me to sit in the car and lock it? And then lock myself in the car. Probably still won't work. Wait. Maybe if I do it gingerly. If I do it slowly. Shit, what's wrong with this? I'm like tempted to roll down the window and hold it locked. Wait. What if I do it really quickly? Really quickly!